Hello friends, in the series of BSc IPF, today we will talk about governor's statement. And our world is facing the consequences of coronavirus. On 14th April, IMF came and said that this recession is going to be worse than Great Depression. But at the same time, IMF also projected the V-shaped recovery for the world. For India in 2021-22, IMF is projecting a growth rate of 7.4% and they're expecting that Indian economy will rebound faster. Our exports are in bad shape, our imports are not very good, industrial production numbers are very bad, but at the same time we have observed that the tractor sales for this year are more by 21.5%. For Kharif, West Bengal, Karnataka, Chhattisgarh, Orissa have started showing with greater speed irrespective of lockdown. So after lockdown, if these states want some human resource, this growth of 21.5% in tractors may balance the situation. RBI is taking all possible efforts to maintain the liquidity into the system. RBI is majorly having 4 tools to maintain the liquidity. What are these 4 tools? CRR, SLR, repo and reverse repo. Today they have taken one policy decision. They have reduced reverse repo by 25 basis points. If we look at this statement, that on 15th of April, RBI absorbed 6.9 lakh crores. Means banks have put 6.9 lakh crores with RBI. What is reverse repo basically? When the bank is having some extra liquidity, they will put that money with RBI and the interest which bank will get on that money is reverse repo rate. And as today, if the reverse repo is reduced by 25 basis points, on 6.9 lakh crores, bank will get 1700 crores lesser. Why bank will adjust with it? Instead of keeping that money with RBI, bank will lend that money into the system. And if people are getting money in their hand, that money will get circulated in the economy. If the money will get circulated in the economy, automatically, if ever government wants to borrow, they can borrow at the lesser rate. Because in last few days, we have observed that government also had to pay some more interest for borrowing. If the money is getting circulated in the economy, automatically it will come into the stock markets also. So what a small investor should do in this situation? They should continue their SIP. They should put some more money into the stock markets. But when they are putting money into the stock markets, they should stay there for longer duration. Because India and China are going to recover faster than rest of the world, and if this is the situation, then we should make full of this opportunity. So we will be continuing our SIPs, we will stay into the stock markets for longer duration, and we will put some more money if possible. This was the agenda for today's session. You are liking our sessions, thank you very much for that. Don't forget to write thanks to SEBI and BSc IPF. Don't forget to mention your email address along with your name in comment section also. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.